In my opinion, the single most important problem or issue in the food system is one of overproduction, particularly overproduction of foods high in fat, salt and sugar. So they're expensive, so they're very cheap, there's a very large volume, and to maximise profit the multinational industries are forced really to market very heavily. So there's a glut of calories flooding the system and promoting obesity in adults and in children, and promoting non-communicable diseases, common cancers, diabetes, cardiovascular disease in adults as well as in children. Academics can do a lot to help with the disorganized food system. The food system is basically a mess. Academics can bring their skills and their objectivity to study the issues objectively using validated methodologies. They can report on their findings, they can analyze the data, and they can disseminate to a wide variety of audiences. Academics, as they become topic experts, can also act as advisors to government, to non-governmental organizations, and to other public health groups who are concerned about finding the best interventions, the most effective interventions to improve this broken food system. Civil society is very important. If we look back at the lessons from previous public health successes, safe drinking water, smoke-free legislation, slavery abolition, immunization, then there's a pattern. You get the science, that becomes understood by the professionals, it disseminates out to the public and the wider policy makers. The third sector have a very important role to play in raising the temperature, pushing the topic up the agenda. So they often act as the bad cops. They're outside the tent, they're throwing the rocks, they're forcing policymakers inside the tent to pay attention. They're forcing policymakers to do something to deal with this problem that simply won't go away otherwise.